What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Toyota Corolla started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected, check key location. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob. I'm going to come over here, and without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop start button. Then I'm going to hold my key fob up to the stop start button. You'll hear a beep, and then the ignition will go to the on position. And now we're ready to start the vehicle as normal. Brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.